F01, electronic circuit board fault. This error indicates a failure in the washing machine's electronic circuit board. As a result, the appliance may not operate at all, or certain functions may become unavailable. This issue often requires a reset or, in severe cases, the replacement of the circuit board. F02, motor circuit fault. When this error occurs, the washing machine drum may not rotate properly or at all during the wash cycle. You may notice that the drum movement is intermittent or completely absent. This could be due to a faulty motor, wiring issues, or a problem with the motor control module. F03, temperature sensor fault. This fault indicates a problem with the temperature sensor, preventing the washing machine from heating water during the wash cycle or from properly drying clothes in a washer-dryer unit. The machine may continue to run, but the water will remain cold, leading to ineffective cleaning performance. If your Hotpoint washing machine F05 error code appears, it means there is a drainage issue. This happens when the washer is unable to pump out wastewater, often due to a clog in the drain pump or hose. As a result, you might notice standing water inside the machine and wet clothes that won't spin properly. What causes the Hotpoint washing machine F05 error? The most common reason for this error is a blocked drain pump. Over time, items like lint, coins, or small clothing pieces can accumulate in the pump filter, preventing proper drainage. Another possible cause is a clogged wastewater hose, which can restrict the flow of water out of the machine. In some cases, a faulty pump may also be the issue. How to fix the Hotpoint washing machine F05 Error 1. Check and clean the drain pump filter. Since the most likely cause of the F05 error is a blocked pump, the first step is to inspect the pump filter. You can find this filter at the bottom front of the washer, usually behind a small panel. Turn off the washer and unplug it for safety. Place a towel or a shallow container under the filter area to catch any water that spills out. Unscrew the filter cap and remove any lint, debris, or foreign objects blocking it. Rinse the filter with warm water to ensure it's completely clean. Reattach the filter securely and close the panel. 2. Inspect the drain hose. If the F05 error persists, the next step is to check the drain hose. A kinked or clogged hose can prevent water from draining properly. Detach the drain hose from the back of the washer. Check for bends, twists, or blockages inside the hose. You can use a long, flexible brush or run water through it to clear any clogs. Make sure the hose is positioned correctly. Too high or too low can affect drainage efficiency. Reattach the hose securely and ensure there are no leaks. 3. Test the drain pump. If the filter and hose are both clear but the error remains, the pump itself may be defective. Here's how to check if the pump is working. Turn on the washer and listen for the sound of the pump running. If it's silent or making unusual noises, it could be faulty. Try running a drain cycle. If the water doesn't pump out, the pump may need to be replaced. In this case, contacting a professional technician is recommended to diagnose and repair the issue. Final thoughts. The Hotpoint washing machine F05 error is usually caused by a clogged drain pump or hose, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself by cleaning these components. However, if the problem continues even after troubleshooting, a faulty pump might be the issue and professional help may be needed. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the filter and ensuring the drain hose is clear, can help prevent this error in the future. If your Hotpoint washing machine F06 error appears, it means there is a problem with the door lock, preventing the washer from starting. This issue usually occurs when the door fails to secure properly, which can be caused by dirt, detergent residue, or small objects blocking the locking mechanism. Start by inspecting the door and removing any obstructions. If nothing is visible, try resetting the washer by unplugging it for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. Sometimes this simple step can resolve the error. If the problem continues, the door lock itself might be faulty. A worn out or broken lock can prevent the machine from recognizing that the door is securely closed. In such cases, replacing the door lock mechanism is usually necessary. If you're unsure how to do this, it's best to contact a professional. Ignoring the F06 error could leave your washing machine unusable, so addressing the issue promptly is essential for keeping your appliance in working order. F07. Electronic circuit board, heating circuit fault. An F07 error suggests a fault within the electronic circuit board related to the heating system. During the wash cycle, the program may pause unexpectedly, the machine might fail to heat water, and the drain pump may run continuously. This could indicate an issue with the heating element, the relay, or the control board. F08, heater fault. If this error appears, the washing machine may stop mid-cycle without completing the wash. This is usually caused by a malfunctioning heating element or a sensor issue that prevents the appliance from reaching the required temperature. F09, software fault. An F09 error is related to a software malfunction, causing the washing machine to become unresponsive. You may see multiple flashing lights on the display, or the machine may fail to start or allow program selection. This often requires a hard reset or a firmware update to resolve. F11, pump circuit fault. This error means that the washing machine is unable to drain water properly. Water may remain inside the drum, and the machine might not complete its cycle. Possible causes include a blocked drain hose, a faulty pump, or a wiring issue in the pump circuit. F12, electronic control fault. If you see this error, the washing machine is failing to power on or operate correctly due to an issue with the electronic control system. This could be caused by a damaged circuit board, faulty connections, or a power supply problem. F13, dryer temperature sensor fault. For washer-dryers only. For washer-dryer models, an F13 error signifies that the appliance is unable to sense the correct temperature while drying clothes. As a result, the dryer function may not work effectively, leaving clothes damp after a drying cycle. This can be due to a defective sensor or wiring issue. F15, heater control fault. For washing machines and washer-dryers. This error suggests a failure in the heater control system, affecting both washing and drying functions. The washing machine may not heat water during the wash cycle, causing poor cleaning results, or it may pause mid-cycle. In washer-dryers, this could also prevent the dryer from working properly. F16, drum lock position, sensor fault. For top-loading machines only. In top-loading washing machines, an F16 error indicates that the drum is not stopping in the correct position or is failing to lock properly. This can prevent the lid from opening or closing as expected and may require sensor recalibration or replacement. F18, internal data error. An F18 error is a sign of an internal data processing fault. You may notice that the washing machine's display is unresponsive or that some or all functions do not work correctly. This often results from corrupted data in the electronic control board, which may need resetting or reprogramming. If you're wondering how to reset washing machine Hotpoint, the process is quite simple, even though Hotpoint washers don't come with a dedicated reset button. The easiest way to reset your machine is by pressing and holding the Start Reset button for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. While still holding that button, press the on-off button until it beeps 3 times. This will allow you to reprogram the machine with your desired settings. However, if your washing machine is stuck mid-cycle or running the wrong program, a hard reset might be necessary. This type of reset helps clear any glitches and restores the machine's factory settings. How to do a hard reset on a Hotpoint washing machine. If your washer has stopped working properly due to a power outage, an unbalanced load, or a software glitch, a hard reset may solve the issue. Here's how to do it. Unplug the washer from the main power supply and leave it unplugged for at least 1 hour. This ensures the circuit board fully discharges. If you plug it back in too soon, the washer may resume the cycle where it left off instead of resetting. Check the program dial and make sure it is set to any position except final spin or spin. Ensure the water supply is turned on before plugging the washer back in. Press the on button and select your desired program. Run a test wash with a spin cycle to see if the issue is resolved. If the machine still gets stuck at certain stages or won't start, there may be a hardware malfunction that requires further troubleshooting. Since Hotpoint washers don't have a reset button, following these steps is the best way to reset the system and get your machine running again.